One thing no one knows about bookable time in Microsoft Outlook. I'm Paul Keizers and I help businesses with SharePoint, Microsoft Teams and Copilot for a living. That's why you can be sure that after watching this video you know everything about the bookable time in Outlook. So let's jump into it. Yes, I already opened my Outlook, and what we are going to do, we are going to show you a new feature in Outlook and within bookable time. So first I go to the calendar view, and as you may have noticed, since a few months you have this go to my booking page. That's your personal booking page. So that's something we are going to see a bit later. But first, we have a new feature under here. So we can create a new bookable time event. So you used to have those two, and now there's a bookable time, which is basically it creates a bookable time slot. So if, for example, you could say 1-on-1 coaching bookable time, and the slot, what time it takes, the duration, the availability. So here we can say, okay, we want to have it my regular meeting hours or custom availability. And then we can also state a range. So this is incredibly handy when you want to have some small calls that are not often, and you can set your availability. So I'm going to choose a regular. Well, I don't have them, so I will do some new ones. I will add some time. So here we can select the times we are available. I'm just going to do something, and after that we can save that. So that's what we done. We can say, okay, it's a public one. So if people go to the booking page, they directly see this this link, or that's a private one. In my case, I just leave it on public because this is a demo tenant. And you can append it to your signature in Outlook. So once you do that, then at the bottom of your Outlook signature, there will be a link, book with me. So I'm going to disable this one. And what location? So if you are physic, then you could set up a physical location here, but most of them are with Teams. So here I can state a message. Hi, welcome to this coaching call. I am looking forward to speak to you. So that's one I'm going to do. So here you see on the right hand side also some other items where you can do multiple things. All right, I have created it. So now it's created. On the right hand side I see an overview how it looks. So in this case I can copy this link or open it in a new window. Let's open it in a new tab because I'm recording in this. So this is the view people get when they are going to your page. They can select and you can see which hours they are available, etc, etc. So going back here, so this is one of the new bookings I just did. So this is a quite easy way to set it up. If I go to my booking page, you will see that there are multiple. Great that you are watching this video. I hope you learn a lot. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel so I can make better videos for you. And if you are in need of some assistance like governance or provisioning, then let me know via the link, book a call at the comment section, And yeah, let's get back to the video. So this is the one we just have been setting up. This one was already there, and this one was also there. So here you see which services you already provide. So if, for example, you have a service that is only limited between dates, you can delete it here. For example, I can just say, okay, delete, and it will be gone. So here you can also create a new one, which is basically the same as we did. Just to show you, when I open this, I can edit it. I can even give a category, which I couldn't in the first screen. And I have some little more options, advanced options. Here you can buffer time, limit time. So before the meeting, after the meeting, the minimal start time interval, lead time, and how many days, for example. How many days do you want ahead that people can schedule a call? You can also create an email reminder, so 15 minutes till a few weeks or a day. So this makes it really similar to Calendly. And here you also have email follow-up. So send an automatic to collect feedback from who booked time with you, or remind them to book their next appointment. So this one will be after. And you can do multiple, because here I'm just going to add one, add another one. So we can even follow up or spam the person. So I'm gonna save this. Now this is the personal booking side. And as you can see, we also have a shared booking site, and that's done with bookings. So Microsoft Bookings, and this is more on the company side. So if a company created a booking and selected personal employees, so they can get into this booking as well. So this is the way you set up a booking, and I think the one thing no one knows is the if you click on new event and bookable time, it is a really quick one, and it helps you a lot. So if you want to know more about Microsoft Teams, then you can click on here, and see you next time.